Hello all, my name is Krishnayak and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, couple of days back I had uploaded a video on 12 days plan to learn Python for data analyst and data scientist, and many people were actually requesting a lot of practice, Python problem statements. So considering that particular request, because that was the most request, I even got messages in my LinkedIn, my Telegram channel, and people wanted, Krish, yes, your playlist is absolutely fine. Apart from that, we also require some kind of practice questions. So what I did is that along with the iNeuron team, we are preparing the practice problem statements, and this is the first doc or PDF you can see that which I have actually uploaded in my GitHub. And here you have more than 35 questions. I think it is more than 31 or 35 questions here. So it is having 35 questions, which will actually help you to practice various problem statements. Now, remember one thing is that, as I've told, everybody will not be able to complete this in 12 days. Here you really have to devote around 2 to 4 hours, at least 4 hours. I told you 2 hours in the morning and 2 hours in the evening. In the morning you have to learn from my playlist. In the evening you have to practice from this particular problem statements. That is what you have to do. Okay, and remember, all these problem statements that you will be seeing over here, it will be based on the topics that are present in my playlist also. Okay, so you don't have to worry that it will be somewhere like out of the syllabus where you'll not be knowing anything. If you're following my playlist, I think you'll be able to understand most of the things, right? And again, if you have any problems, definitely have a look onto the Google, try to explore it, try to find out the solution. Now let's talk about some of the problem statement. Initially we go with very basics, like write a program to demonstrate the different number data types in Python. So this is one example. Perform different arithmetic operations, create, concatenate and print a string. Now as you go ahead, you will be able to see that the difficulty will increase. Okay, create, append and remove list in Python. Now if I go to the last, just keep on seeing, if I go to the last, and over here solution is also given. First of all, you really need to try from your side. Okay, so here you can see, write a Python program to find the largest of 3 numbers. So definitely you can try it out. Now as you're going to practice different things, more logic building, more different kind of cubism process may come, and then you just have to think about it. Here you can see converting temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit or Fahrenheit to Celsius. You can see that you have to print this kind of stars. Everything is present over here. But as you go ahead, now here you can see that write a Python program to find the factorial of a number using recursion. You can use different process. Along with that, solution is also given, but I don't want you all to see the solution. Instead, focus on writing your own problem statement, own answers, and then compare with the solution whether you have written or not. Here you can see that more complexity is increased. Write a program that inputs a text file. The program should print all the unique words in the file in the alphabetical order. So something like this. As you go ahead, more and more difficult problem statements will definitely come. Okay, now this is just not only the 35 questions that I'm going to upload, guys. I'm going to add more difficult questions with respect to Python, but for your practice purpose, I think this will be very much good. Probably another, just make sure that you keep a starred into this particular repository, because more and more questions, more and more PDF I'll keep on uploading with respect to Python programming as our team completely prepare it. Okay, so this will definitely help you out for your practice purpose. Okay, and I have already created this 12 days plan to learn Python for data analyst and data science. I've told you which all topics to cover in this, which all topics not to cover in this. Everything will be given over here. You can also check this out. The link of this particular video will be given in the description of this particular video. Okay guys, so make sure that you practice a lot. This is important. If you practice here, now see this, last week, this 2 days back I uploaded this video. Many people started discussing how can we complete a person from non-programming background, how he can complete in 12 days. I agree. I'm telling you that you'll just not be able to complete in 12 days. But I told you, if you follow some patterns, right, 2 hours morning, 2 hours evening, at least 12 days I told. Okay, and then it can go till 1 month or 2 months. Now I have also started preparing practice problems. So don't argue, instead start working on it. It's okay if you're not able to complete in 12 days, you'll be able to complete in 1 month. Okay, there are some people who will always argue unnecessary, thinking if I put up a positive statement, how is it possible, they'll say. Okay, I told in the last thing is that at least 12 days. Okay, it can go till 1 month, it can go till 2 months. It depends on your interest, how much productive hours you are actually putting. So I hope you like this particular video. Again, I'm telling you, don't listen to people who says that you cannot do it. Please start working on it. I'm preparing the materials now for you all. You just have to work on it, guys. That's it. So this was it from my side. I hope you like this particular video. I'll see you all in the next video. Have a great day. Thank you, one all. Bye bye.